Are you looking for the best Black Friday robot vacuum 2025? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Black Friday robot vacuum on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Roborock Qrevo CurvX Robot Vacuum and Mop. Tired of endless chores? Meet your new cleaning hero, Exploding Head. For US homeowners seeking ultimate convenience, the Roborock Qrevo CurvX Robot Vacuum and Mop is a true game changer. This ultra-slim device, at just 3.14 inches, is engineered to reach hidden dirt under low furniture, powered by an impressive 22,000 pascals hyperforce suction. It tackles pet hair and debris with a revolutionary dual anti-tangle system, minimizing maintenance frustration. The CurvX delivers a deeper clean thanks to its FlexiArm technology for perfect edge mopping and a multifunctional dock that automates everything. Say goodbye to manual scrubbing. The dock uses 176 degrees Fahrenheit hot water to wash the dual spinning mops and warm air to dry them. Advanced reactive AI obstacle recognition and an AdaptiLift chassis ensure seamless navigation and obstacle avoidance. The Qrevo CurvX makes fully automated, pristine floors a reality. Number 2. Roborock Q7M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. Reclaim your weekends, hands-free home cleaning is here. Blowing star. Tired of constant vacuuming? The Roborock Q7M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop is the smart solution US households need. Delivering a powerful 10,000 pascals hyperforce suction, it digs deep into carpets and hard floors to lift embedded dirt and pet hair. The key is its Rock Dock Plus Auto Empty Station, which holds dirt for up to 7 weeks, making maintenance virtually non-existent. Equipped with a dual anti-tangle system, hair clogs are minimized, ensuring smooth operation. The Q7M5 Plus vacuums and mops simultaneously, using a customizable electronic mopping system. Featuring precise LiDAR navigation, it efficiently maps your home, remembers multiple levels, and operates through the intuitive Roborock app, offering smart control over schedules and no-go zones. It's the perfect blend of performance and low-effort convenience. Number 3. Eufy Omni C20 Robot Vacuum and Mop. The future is clean, get fully automated floors without the flagship price. Party Popper. For budget-conscious US buyers demanding premium features, the Eufy Omni C20 Robot Vacuum and Mop delivers exceptional value. Its all-in-one station provides the ultimate hands-free experience, handling auto-emptying, mop washing, and air drying for weeks of effortless maintenance. The C20 doesn't skimp on power, boasting a robust 7,000 pascal suction and mop master technology with dual spinning pads to scrub away tough stains. Crucially, its ultra-slim 3.35-inch body is designed to finely clean under low-profile furniture where dust loves to hide. With features like the Pro Detangle Comb to manage pet hair and LiDAR navigation for efficient mapping, the Omni C20 makes sophisticated, whole-home cleaning accessible. Number 4. Mova P10 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop 13. Fire in the scrubbing struggle, this robot does it all, even the edges. Fire. Meet the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop 13, a true heavy hitter for the modern American home. Engineered with an incredible 13,000 pascals suction power, it easily extracts dirt and pet hair from deep within carpets and hard floors, setting a new standard for robot performance. What truly elevates the P10 Pro Ultra is its advanced dock. It features 149 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing and hot air drying, ensuring truly sanitized and odor-free cleaning. Forget manual upkeep, the all-in-one station auto-empties the dustbin for up to 75 days. Plus, its extendable side brush and mop actively reach into corners and edges often missed by rivals. With smart dirt detection and automatic mop lifting for carpets, the P10 Pro Ultra offers powerful, hands-off perfection. Number 5. iRobot Roomba Max 705 Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop. The ultimate iRobot upgrade, hands-free vacuuming and heated mopping. Soap. Tired of robot vacuums that just can't keep up with pet hair and messy kids? The iRobot Roomba Max 705 Combo is here to deliver an uncompromising clean to busy US homes. This flagship model boasts 175x more extreme powerlifting suction and anti-tangle dual rubber brushes, guaranteeing a thorough pass on both carpet and hard floors. Its standout feature is the auto-wash dock, offering truly hands-free maintenance. It self-empties debris for up to 75 days, heat washes and dries the power spin roller mop, and refills the cleaning solution. Plus, its innovative extending mop roller and perfect edge technology tackle grind right up to the baseboards. With Precision Vision AI avoiding obstacles like cords and pet waste, the Max 705 combo is the smart, powerful solution you've been waiting for.